Copyright disclaimer. Under Title 17 U.S.C. Section 107, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit educational or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. Okay, guys. So I'm going to try to share the link in the description box, but it was kind of strange how I came upon this court document. And this is one of the lawsuits being filed against Scientology. And it is filed Superior Court of California, County of Los Angeles, 6/21/2023. And Clerk of Court, K. Mason. Interesting name. Second amended complaint for damages: negligence, sexual assault, sexual battery, negligent supervision, failure to warn, negligent employment retention, intentional infliction of emotional distress, fraud, public nuisance. So I'm not a lawyer. I'm not even a paralegal. I'm none of those things. I'm just only reading what I see in front of me. And so that's all. I'm just sharing. And I'm definitely not going to read the whole thing. I just wanted to read the beginning. And then the last charge is that I forgot to read was public injunction. Based upon information and belief available to plaintiff Jane Doe at the time of the filing of the second amended complaint for damages, plaintiff makes the following allegations. Plaintiff, by the way, was a child in Scientology. Plaintiff Jane Doe is an adult female born in August 1974. Plaintiff was a minor at the time of the sexual abuse alleged herein. Let me repeat that. Plaintiff was a minor at the time of the sexual abuse alleged herein. The name used by plaintiff in this amended complaint is not plaintiff's true name. There's a reason for that. But is instead a fictitious name used to protect the identity of the plaintiff, a survivor of childhood sexual assault. There exists good cause for plaintiff to use a pseudonym due to the harmful effect of the public disclosure of her identity and the harm likely to be inflicted by the defendants upon Jane Doe. Plaintiff's undersigned counsel will provide the identity of plaintiff to all defendants. As such, defendants suffer no prejudice. As a result, let's say that again, defendants, LAPD, suffer no prejudice as a result of concealing her identity in the amended complaint and verifications. So again, I'm not sure which lawsuit this was, but I just kind of came upon it in a strange, bizarre way. It's one of the lawsuits, amongst many, that are being filed against Scientology for childhood sexual abuse. And I would encourage anyone who is an ex-Scientologist and or a current Scientologist to come forward with your sexual abuse. If you are still in Scientology, you can come forward, secure a lawyer, and get some type of justice for being sexually abused and or other abuse while in Scientology. And I will try to put the link in the description box. Peace, everyone.